welcome back to Club Erie. We ran into a little snag on this tractor again. Sometimes these eyeballs that are on the 3-point hitch freeze up. If you can see, we got this one free. I'll show you how we did that in a second. These were all pretty bad. I mean, everywhere you see an eyeball, we had some problems. So we would just want to show you a technique that could work if you're out in the field or just having some trouble with this stuff. We're working on an international harvester. It'll work on any tractor, but this old tractor is a good example because it was sitting for a while. So here's what we did. Here's Chad. I had to get him involved with this because I was having some struggles with this particular eyeball. It was so rusty and so frozen. We stuck a bar. I'll show you the bar. We had to put a bar through it, kind of like this, and we could barely get it to move. I mean, it was an hour of one click this way, one click that way, all the oil. We used torches. We just couldn't get it. So after the torches and the oil and everything got it moving just a little bit, Chad came up with this procedure where he just ran a bolt through there, put it on the drill, and then he took an air tool with a cleaning disc on it, and you can use a wire wheel. I prefer this. It just lasts a little longer, and it took all the rust off because it did look like this, which we're going to come back to and show you. So we're going to go ahead and pull that bolt out of there and put it in the other one, but I just wanted to show you how easy and free this one moves from us jumping up and down on that bar like a teeter-totter, him on one side, myself on the other, for about an hour, and it just still wouldn't barely move. So we're pretty happy with the results here. So we're just going to kind of show you the procedure on a different one. So here we go. We're going to show you what little tool design we came up with to make this all work. You can do whatever works for you, but we took a bolt and ground the threads off the end of it. That's so the drill can grab it there. Put a couple nuts on the bolt, and that was just to take up the space so it doesn't wobble around in there. And put a nut on the other end. We're going to go ahead and tighten that down. And now we have a situation when we put the drill on that we can spin this thing. So then we were using a penetrating fluid just to get some lubrication in there. And keep in mind, on the other side, this thing was barely moving. I mean, we're showing you the side that actually came free from just manhandling and penetrating oil. The other side was not this simple, but we just want to show you the procedure. So we take this air tool, completely clean it up. You can do the other side. So as you can see, it works real well. Again, on this side, we didn't really need to do that. I was just showing you we actually had to do that to this other side because that one just would not move. So now that we got everything freed up and moving like it should, that pretty much sums it up. I hope it helped you. Hit like if you liked it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.